So some of you may have seen this on our Instagram channel. This is one of our best performing reels. And so let's go over a few things of why it gained so much traction on our page. Firstly, if you notice, it led with a hook. It was a visual hook that looped you in right off the bat. Next, it's shot vertically. Take up as much social real estate with your videos and your posts as possible. It provides value and educate. Not only does it tell you quickly how to take the product, but also who it's for. Next is trending audio. This is your best bet to increase your engagement and get other eyes on your content. Next is use text on screen. Most people watch videos, I'm sure some of you always watch videos, without sound. So you want to make it make sense for the people watching your videos without sound. Use text. Lastly, it's quick and to the point. There's no need to drag your videos out. Tell your story in a shorter format. So, before I move on, some of you may be wondering, well, Shantae, how the heck do I find trending audio? Well, I got you. No worries. Using trending audio is your best way to increase your engagement. And here are 3 ways to find trending audio. First, simply look for an arrow next to the audio. When you're scrolling through Reels, if you see an upward arrow where it's pointing, if it's pointing up, that's a trending audio. Save it. Does it make sense for you to use it? And figure out how you can use it. The second option is follow accounts that jump on trends quickly. Here are some of our favorite accounts that you can jump on and see what they're doing. Your third option, be active on TikTok so you can be early on trends. Fun fact, trends that are on TikTok usually come over to Reels about 2 weeks later. So if you see something on TikTok that's going crazy, going viral, you can hop on that when it comes over to Instagram.